Hello, I'm Stephen Warner, and thank you for looking at this overview. This is about helping you to sell professionally and successfully to customers, to prospects, and to others around you. And I've used my 35 plus years of experience in this area to put together this online, on-demand, intensive workshop for you. And it's a workshop that really will help you win the business right now, while at the same time building or maintaining long-term successful customer relationships. The content of the workshop comes from global best practice, and the applications exercises make it easy for you to apply that content to the real world situations and challenges that you face in order to get immediate positive results. There's also downloadable supporting materials to aid with future skill development and even skill mastery. And for more information on the what, why, where, when, how, and who of this workshop, and the performance improvements that it will deliver for you, please click on the link below. And thanks very much for watching.